Doors play a vital role in your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. Over time, they can wear out due to constant use, exposure to the elements, and aging materials. If you're a homeowner in Washington, recognizing the signs of a failing door can help you address issues before they become costly problems. Here are the top signs you need a door replacement. Difficulty opening and closing. One of the most noticeable signs that you need a new door is when it becomes difficult to open or close. This can happen due to warping, rust, or expansion caused by fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. A door that doesn't function properly can be a safety hazard and should be replaced promptly. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel drafts coming through your doors, it means that they are no longer sealing properly. This issue can lead to higher energy bills since your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Modern, energy-efficient doors are designed to prevent air leaks and improve insulation, saving you money on heating and cooling costs. Visible damage and wear. Over time, doors can suffer from cracks, dents, peeling paint, or even rot, especially in wooden doors. While some minor cosmetic damage can be repaired, extensive deterioration can compromise the door's structural integrity, making replacement the best option. Increased noise pollution. If you've noticed more outside noise filtering into your home, your door might not be providing adequate sound insulation. Older doors tend to lose their ability to block sound over time. Upgrading to a high-quality replacement door can help reduce noise pollution and create a more peaceful indoor environment. Water damage and mold growth. Moisture can seep into doors, causing them to swell, rot, or develop mold. This is particularly common in older wooden doors that have been exposed to excessive rain or humidity. If you notice discoloration, a musty smell, or soft spots on your door, it's time for a replacement. Outdated appearance. Your door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about your home. If your door looks outdated, faded, or doesn't match your home's style, replacing it can significantly enhance curb appeal. A stylish new door can also increase your property's resale value. Security concerns. An old or damaged door can be an easy target for burglars. If your door has weak or broken locks, cracks, or a flimsy frame, your home's security could be compromised. Modern doors come with advanced security features such as reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials to keep your home safe. Warping and structural issues. Over time, doors can warp due to exposure to heat, cold, and moisture. Warping can cause gaps between the door and the frame, making it easier for drafts, insects, and even water to enter your home. If your door no longer fits properly in its frame, replacement is the best solution. Rust and corrosion. If your door is made of metal, rust and corrosion can weaken its structure and reduce its lifespan. Rust can spread quickly, compromising the integrity of the door and making it more susceptible to break-ins and weather damage. A new door made from durable materials can provide better longevity and protection. Higher energy bills. If your energy bills have been increasing without a clear reason, your door might be contributing to heat loss or gain. Energy-efficient doors with proper insulation and weather stripping can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy consumption and lowering your utility bills. Final thoughts. Recognizing these signs early can help you avoid costly repairs and improve your home's safety, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. If you're experiencing any of these issues, consider investing in a high-quality door replacement. A new door not only enhances security and comfort but also adds value to your home. Contact a trusted door replacement specialist in Washington to explore your options and find the best solution for your needs.